myself is Prabhat. I'm a full stack developer. Okay, I have 8 years of experience in automation and manual testing. So I want to introduce to a new tool, which is very new to the market, just scriptless automation tool. Let me share my screen and show you. Yeah. So this is the tool what I'm talking about. So these people have developed an automation and depends on templates. Okay, so we'll be giving a web template and API template. Depends upon that we can do our automation. So let's see about what is the scriptless automation. And here we can see that. So you can go through the introduction and you can see how it is earlier and how it is after integration, how it will be, right? So first you can see the lot of codes are there, but when you see here, only you can see the template. So this is the reason why we called it as a scriptless automation. And here as well same, right? This is an API automation. Now you can see that a lot of code has been gone. All runs according to the template. Now we can go to the community access plan. It is a free to use. It's in the Maven Central. You click here, you can land on the Maven Central page. So you can see that they have API and web. Basically, core is a core framework for both API and web. So you can ignore it, or you can take this one and you can update according to your requirements. And why we are using this one? Because it's a minimalistic approach, custom code integration is there, and it's a legacy feeling. So you need not to do any much training here. It's a very legacy setup, like whatever that you're doing in earlier stages. And it's easy to set up. There's nothing much to do. You can create a Maven project, add the dependency, and you can go, right? So you can see here, we are using same core framework. We are using Java Maven. We are not going out of this. We are trying to bring the legacy setup with a better framework. Okay, so so far we have integrated test management tool, and the communication is the Slack. Okay, and if you have any request, we can do from here. Okay, so let's see how this works. Right, we have documentation also for this. You can go through here. Okay, this is the block what we have, and we have documentation also here. It's a pretty very clear documentation. Okay, earlier we have a sign up concept is there, where you will get all kind of integration, like you have seen here, integration tools, right? If you want this kind of integration, everything, you need to sign up, and the sign up will give you a mail, and yeah, you can go through this from here, right? Sign up process. And we have a release notes here also. We can see what is been got newly released, but some of the features are specifically in the paid tool, which comes under enterprise plan. So you will be getting all types of personal configuration in this enterprise plan. Normally in the community access plan, you will be only getting the automation, basic automation only. So I want you to introduce to the basic automation before going to this tool integration. The basic automation I want to show you, because this basic automation is only enough to do the automation part. Okay, you can create n number of scenarios in this, right? And in going further sections, we will be discussing all those scenarios one by one, and we will be seeing actions. Okay, we will be seeing all API automation and web automation, and we can see all type of, we will be discussing all type of actions, whatever is here we have, right? Let's say we have key phrases, right? This is the page name. What is the page name? This is the template actually, right? So we'll be discussing all those things, what kind of actions we have, how to use these actions, all the things we will be discussing in our upcoming sections. And remember, these actions and validation types will be keep on updating. So please follow our sections regularly to understand and to be keep updating what we are adding in our frame, right? So detailed documentation has been here. Yeah, I agree, some of the tabs are still are pending, but we are in the to-do process because we need to be as much as clear we want to be. But you can see a lot of things have been already covered. You can go through the documentation, you can understand thoroughly. Right? This is about introduction. Please free to ask questions. We are happy to answer your questions. Thanks.